Meaning of Holloway.
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 Holloway. The name Holloway is of English origin and has several possible meanings. One interpretation is that it refers to a road or path that passes through a hollow or low-lying area. Another possibility is that it derives from the Old English words hall, meaning hollow, and weg, meaning way or path. It could also be a variant of the surname Holly, which means dweller by the holly trees. Overall, Holloway is a name that likely has roots in nature and the English landscape.